Hello, back. This is like, you're probably thinking this is the same video from the other one I shot, but that one had thunder and lightning in it. This is now 2 weeks later, the second full day of spring, and we're getting another major snowstorm. My God, we're out of gas. They're calling it another nor'easter, which I guess is another word for blizzard, whiteout, whatever. All it means is a huge mess, inconvenience to everybody. I've done some shoveling. I'm a little out of breath. Again, trying to stay ahead of the game here. Here it is, the street, the snow, blah, blah, blah. Enough already. We've had enough. It's spring. It's time to end the winter and move on to nice, warm weather, but it would seem to be, I don't know what it would seem to be. I'm speechless at this point. Everybody's hunkering down. There's that word, hunkering down, meaning everyone is inside their homes. Nobody's out and about except for me, who's out driving around. There's a good shot of the street. As I said earlier, looks like a Norman Rockwell painting. There's that tree. Very cool. There's the side of the street. There's the house. There's the house. As you can see, it's snowing quite heavily. It's about, I don't know, 4:45, 5 o'clock in that area. And it's supposed to snow for the rest of the afternoon into the early evening. So, yes, not fun. But hopefully this is the grand finale of the snow. And we will see the spring soon. I'm hoping. I mean, it's March. Today is March 20 something. I don't even know. March 21st, I think. All right, that's it. Coming up a little over 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the little clip of the video. You've seen them before. It looks like a repeat of the last one, minus the thunder and lightning. Goodbye. And there's the lady of the house. Goodbye. Bye-bye. There she's waving.